Hello everyone, this is Monica with Midessa Real Estate, and here are 5 things you should be doing to prepare your home before putting it on the market for sale. Number 1, declutter. Creating as much space as you can in your home by removing as much junk and clutter is going to make your home look open and inviting. That's something that buyers really look for when out shopping for a home. Number 2, depersonalize. Take down any family photos or memorabilia. When buyers are touring your home, they want to envision themselves living there. So by taking these things down, that really helps to give them a reality of what it would be like if they were to actually live in your home. Number 3, deep clean. And what I mean by deep clean, I mean you want to leave your home looking as pristine as possible. From the baseboards to light switches, to wiping down the walls, to having the tile and grout scrubbed, to even steam cleaning your carpets. My recommendation would be to hire a professional. Number 4, repair and upgrade your home. A well-maintained home is going to be more enticing to buyers. No one wants to buy anything broken, and most people want something that's already updated and ready to move in. Number 5, curb appeal. First impression is everything, so a well-landscaped yard is going to really impress people and set the tone for the rest of the tour. So if you're thinking about selling your home and you would like for me to go into more detail, I do offer a full in-depth seller's guide that takes you from listed to close. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.